Sec is a long time. I'm busy fixing phone, iPad, people mailing a lot. Today our case is unique case. Is iPad Pro 9.7. Customer tried to change the battery. Look what they did. They break the data line on the battery connector, and I already ordered this. I have it here. You're gonna change it. And the other thing, the cable here, there's a cable here for camera and everything. This one here, the connector. So we're gonna go ahead and fix it. Let's just remove it with the wick. Now time to clean it with the new one. What we're gonna need to do, just put the flux. Solder it. Need a flux. Anyone, so we can hold it. Now we're gonna do all of it. And I hope it's gonna work. Sorry, today I'm by myself, nobody can record me, and I'm really busy. But I'm just showing you guys what we normally do every day. Thanks for watching. The battery connector. Now we're doing the flex for the speaker because the old one is cut. You guys see, it's the same way you do in charging port. Yup, mobile centric. My friend, this is the wireless and front camera and speaker cable, and this is the battery connector for this iPad Pro. So guys, just look how nice when you do something so nice and you sure and make sure what you're doing. So this came from a cell phone shop. All this mess, just didn't try to replace the battery. So always disconnect the battery easy and then take the board and do it. Now it's fixed. Back to work. Let me just check the speaker if it's gonna work or no. Yep, fixed. Front camera. Yeah, everything is working. See? Working. Where is it? No. See, it's working. That's my phone. Well, thanks for watching. This is Advanced Technology ITS Service from North Carolina. Yes, we do micro soldering and we do a lot of them. What do you think, Angelo? Yes, we do them. Thanks for watching.